Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Beauty Vlog. So this video is just a random video. I was scrolling my Instagram and I came through this app named YOLI. I think I am pronouncing it right. You can download this app directly from the Play Store, and if it's not available, I will give you the link in my description. You can download the app from there also. So once you click on this app, it says pay less and get more. So it has two sections, hot deals and under 99 store. The best part of this app is the under 99 store. So when you click on under 99, you can see various products under rupees 99. It has various subsections like fashion, electronics, beauty, home and kitchen. There are so many products available here below rupees 99. So you can buy whatever you want. So when you click on any of the product from this app, it will redirect you to the website to which the product actually belongs. So there you have two options, wish list and shop now. So when you click on shop now, you will be redirected to the Flipkart website. From there you can add the product to your cart or you can buy now. So when you add the product to your cart, you have to log into your Flipkart account. So once you fill all the details of your account, you can order your product. So your product is finally ordered. So there are so many products available. You can see at affordable prices, and all these products are very budget friendly. So this is all about today's video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share my video, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Press that bell notification. Thank you.